is to factor a polynomial by grouping. Same thing you guys have been working on. Okay, so we have 9ax squared minus 24x cubed plus 6a minus 16x. So out of the first two, we have 9ax squared minus 24x cubed. What can I take out of both of those? So we have a coefficient of 3.
And x squared.
X squared, good. Okay, what's left in the first part? 3a minus, then what's left after the 24x cubed?
8x.
Good. We have a plus. And I hear somebody say a 2. Okay. Anything else? No? Okay. What's left?
3a.
3a. And minus
8x.
8x. Good. All right. So what's next?
God grouping again.
Okay. So we have 3x squared plus 2. It's one quantity. And what's the next quantity?
3a minus 8x.
So we have 3ax squared minus x cubed minus 21a plus 7x. So if we group the first two, we have 3ax squared minus x cubed. What can be taken out of both of those?
X squared.
X squared, good. What's left?
3a.
Uh-huh. Minus what?
X.
Good. Okay, so now we have minus 21a plus 7x are grouped together. Okay. So what's left?
3a.
Since we took out a minus 7, this
Yeah,
becomes
change it.
minus. Okay, and what's left?
X.
Good. Okay, so what are my two quantities?
X squared minus 7.
And? Good. For practice, do 21a x squared minus 56x cubed minus 15a plus 40x. So what can we factor out of 21ax squared minus 56x cubed?
7. X squared.
Good. What's left?
3a minus 8x.
Good. Okay. We have minus. So we can take out a 5. What do I have left?
3a minus 8x.
Okay. So what are my two quantities?
7x squared minus 5. 3a minus
Good. Okay, if that's what you had, come up and get your points. So we have 40xy plus 5by minus 24ax minus 3ab. So my first quantity is 40xy plus 5by. What can I take out of there? 5y. What am I left with?
8x plus
Okay, do we write the 1? No. Okay. We have a minus, and the next quantity, 24ax minus 3ab. 3a. Good. What am I left with? Plus b. Good. So what are my two quantities?
5 minus 3a.
Okay, if that's exactly what you had, then you get points. We have 9xy plus 9x plus 7y plus 7. So the first quantity, we have 9xy plus 9x. What can I take out? Okay, what am I left with?
Y.
Okay, we have a plus. 7y plus 7. What can I do? 7? What am I left with? Y plus 1. So my two quantities,
9x plus 7.
and,
Y plus
very good. Okay. We have 5ab plus 4ax minus 5b minus 4x. So watch your guys' signs, okay? So my first quantity is 5ab plus 4ax. What can I take out? A. Good. So I'm left with what? 5b plus x. Good. I have a minus here, so I take it out. So what am I left with? 5b. Good. And since I took out a minus from here, it becomes plus 4x. So I have a, there's not a number here, but it becomes minus 1 times, oh, sorry, and this should be a 4 right there. So it should be 5b plus 4x.